Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Noom app. So let's get started. So it is very easy to use the Noom app. So basically, you have to go here and search for the Noom app. So as you can see here, the Noom app, just open it. Okay. And from here, you can just allow if you want, and then click on the login button, login into your account. So basically, this is for your like the type of like fat weight loss app. It is type of a weight loss app. You can also use it. You can just create account and you can just share your progress and they will tell you the routine and you can get it. So basically it's uses psychology to help to lose your weight and keep you cool. So by this way you can do it and it's an easy way too. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.